In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Zoom tool. It's a powerful feature that can greatly enhance your workflow by allowing you to closely examine specific areas of your canvas. And today, I'm going to walk you through how to use it with precision and ease. First, let's get started by selecting the Zoom tool. You can do this effortlessly by simply pressing the Z key on your keyboard. Once selected, you'll notice your cursor changes, ready to help you navigate your canvas. Now, to zoom in on any area you'd like to inspect more closely, just click on the canvas with your newly selected Zoom tool. It's as simple as that. Each click will bring you closer to the details. But what if we need to zoom out? No worries at all. If you're using Windows, just hold down the Control key and click on the canvas. For those on a Mac, you'll achieve the same result by holding down the CMD key and clicking. This action will zoom you out by one step, giving you a broader view of your artwork or design. Now let's make things a bit more dynamic. Did you know you can also use the Zoom tool by dragging? This is called the Scrubby Zoom feature. When you drag to the right, you'll zoom in, bringing those intricate details into sharper focus. Conversely, if you drag to the left, you'll zoom out, providing a wider perspective. It's an intuitive method that allows for smooth and continuous adjustments to your view. Another fantastic feature of the Zoom tool is the ability to use a marquee to define a specific area you'd like to zoom into. This involves clicking and dragging to create a selection rectangle over the part of the artwork you wish to examine more closely. Once you release the mouse, the canvas will zoom in to focus primarily on the contents within your marquee selection. This method is especially useful when dealing with larger compositions or when you need to zero in on a specific detail without manually zooming multiple times. However, keep in mind that whether this feature is available can depend on your setting preferences, so it's worth checking your software settings if this option isn't immediately available. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now use the Zoom tool to its full potential, making it an indispensable part of your digital design toolkit. Experiment with these techniques to find what works best for you and your workflow. Keep practicing, and you'll find that navigating your projects becomes more intuitive and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy Zooming.